Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can change your Facebook business page link or username. Well, changing your Facebook business page link or username can help ensure consistency across all social media platforms because a clear keyword-rich Facebook link or username improves search engine visibility and user accessibility. And instead of keeping the link based on random characters and numbers, a clean and relevant link makes it easier for people to find your business. So to change it, go to Settings and under Page Setup, go to Name tab. Here, click on Edit. Now add the username you kept of your business page, which is 𝐬𝐤 in my case. And then click on Save Changes. It may or may not ask you to add your password again. Now your Facebook business page link or username has been changed, which is convenient and easy to remember. And this is how you can change your Facebook business page link or username. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.